Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a channel updates here for you guys. I'll let you know where I've been and what's happening. I've been sick for the past 2 weeks. I'm officially better. I think I'm ready for the camera now. So I want to fill you guys in what's going on. I've had a lot of time to think while I was sick with where I want to go with the YouTube videos and with Glowforge at Home user group and with my designs here. So we're going to take this one step at a time and do the updates in a row here. So first up is going to be the YouTube videos. I want to show you guys the direction that I'm going to go here. I think you're going to love it. All of the updates you're going to love here. So stick around till the end. You're really going to like the end here if you're into my designs. So with the YouTube channel, I'm going to try and create some really unique videos that you've probably never seen on any other channel. One's going to be about Glowforge's history, things that existed before but don't exist anymore with Glowforge. There's going to be tips and tricks and tutorial videos that are going to be really unique. Can't wait to make those videos. I think you're going to love them. So stick around, hit subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'd love to hit like 7,000 subscribers by the end of next month if possible. I know that's probably stretching it, but I'm going to be putting a lot of work and content into this. I try to release a new video once a week if possible with my other job outside of the laser. So check that out. I hope to be able to release once a week again here and then get back into the swing of things. Okay, next up is going to be the Glowforge at Home user group update here. So I'm the admin of that group there. Things have been slowing down a little bit lately with the me being out sick and with the group projects here. I realize with the group projects, that might be something that people are just not interested in doing with one project to the next month. So the first project was really popular, same with the second and third. They kind of dwindled down from there, and I don't want to waste anybody's material if you don't want to use it. So I kind of want to go in a different direction with that and make it a true group project where everybody's contributing to the same project, and then they can make their own complete unique design just using the original template of a puzzle piece. So how that's going to work, it's going to start off one puzzle piece in the center. I'll probably design one that says like Glowforge at Home user group, and it's going to be that center puzzle piece, and we'll build off of that and make a giant map. If anybody's interested in that, that'd be great. I'll kind of take a poll on that in the group to see if people would be interested in that. It would involve mailing your puzzle piece over to like a P.O. box or somewhere that I would have to set up. I'll have to get the details if the group wants to do that. But I think it'd be cool if you'd mail it in, we can then create a giant puzzle piece, like a puzzle, and then I can do like updated photos for the group along the way. That way I'm doing all the work with the actual photos, and all you got to do is create your one puzzle piece and send it in. It should be lightweight enough to put in an envelope, and it should be like $1 shipping or something like that. If that's something that you're interested in, let me know. If you don't like that idea and you've got a different, unique idea that would be cool, let me know that too. I'm open to suggestions. But I just want to build the community as tight as possible here. I try to help the community as much as I can and get everybody involved as much as possible. And it's been awesome working with everybody and all the support you guys have showed along the way. I really appreciate it. We're past 6,000 subscribers now. That's unbelievable. I really appreciate all you guys' support. And lastly, I've got an update on my Glowforge Designs for Fresh Start Customs. So if you follow me and you purchased a design from me in the past, you like my designs, I've got a lot of information for you guys. Since I've been out, I have released 2 designs since then that I've already had pre-set up and made and ready to go. I just was out of commission for 2 solid weeks there. So I posted the ones that I already created, and I'm officially all the way caught up, and now I got to create more. So as of yesterday, I released my first design since feeling better that was not pre-made. Got that made and released now. I got another one in the works that's already been made that I made today, but I still have to print it off, take photos, and that kind of thing. So keep an eye out. That'll probably be released in the next 2 or 3 days. And then I try to release a new design every week as possible with my other job too. So it usually turns out to be a 2 or 3 designs a week. That's what typically it works out to be if I can find free time to squeeze it all in. So you'll start seeing designs rolling back in on freshstartcustoms.com or Fresh Start Customs on Etsy. You can check those out. Lastly, I do have an update for the main freshstartcustoms.com website with all my designs on there. If you're an email subscriber for our newsletter, where we send out like discounts every once in a while or a free design every once in a while, you guys are going to love this because I know I had some people ask for a subscription-based model for my designs. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do a subscription-based model there just because of all the effort that it takes for me to create that and incorporate it into my website. I don't have that kind of time to look into that much information with my second job. But I'm going to do one better for you guys and give you guys a free $50 every month off of a larger order. So what I mean by that is you'll add $75 worth of designs in your cart, so you can literally pick any design you want. That way, I'm not picking and choosing each month for a subscription-based model for you guys. You're getting more items at a bigger discount. So instead of paying $25 for a subscription that I'd have to set up and look into and spend all that time off my second job doing, now you can get $75 worth of items for $25 that way. So you can pick and choose all your designs that way. I think it's going to work out best for everybody who wants the subscription model, and everybody who doesn't, you'll still have that option, and you'll still have the option of all the regular discounts that gets pinned at the top of freshstartcustoms.com. So that's the reason why I chose not to do a subscription-based model, but it's kind of gives you that option of it if you want it for a bigger discount. There is a limitation on it. You can only use it once per month per person, and it's going to be a new discount each month to like newsletter subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to our newsletter, which is completely free, you just go to freshstartcustoms.com, click join newsletter, type in your email address, and then you'll be all signed up and you'll get emails along the way. If you missed this month here, this one I'm leaving out to the public. It's you got 10 days left if you're not a newsletter subscriber to do it. You can use the code 50OFF75. So it's 50OFF75 at checkout with $75 worth of designs in your cart or more, and then you'll get $50 off of that total amount. So if you do exactly $75, your checkout will be exactly $25 plus tax. So if you go over that, though, let's say it's like $85, then you're going to take $50 off of that $85. So you're going to get literally $50 worth of designs for free just by using that code. The only stipulation is you got to pay a little bit extra to get that amount versus just buying one design at a time at a huge discount. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope that is reasonable for you guys on why I chose not to do the subscription model and why I chose to do it that way. It saves me time. It saves you guys from random items. You get to pick your own items, and I think everybody wins that way. So other than that, though, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy all these unique new updates. It's kind of a risk, kind of unique items that I don't know where we're going to go with yet, like the Glowforge at Home group. If you guys like that, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think of all of the updates here. And then we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.